This is the kind of coffee I use. It's Shiba, but you can find other brands also. It's ground coffee and it's mild, like how many? Oh, it's not so mild, it's like four stars. Okay, and this is my French press bought from IKEA. It provides one mug of coffee. There's a bigger size for 2 mugs and a smaller size for one. I will show you how it works in a minute. Basically, you put coffee inside, pour water on it, and just close it and leave it be for 3 to 4 minutes. Then push it down like this so the coffee is filtered. Then just pour it to the glass. Okay, I put the coffee in this jar. So I pick about 1 spoon. Just waiting for the water to boil. Okay, the water is boiled. I pour some water. Now I just mix it up a little bit. Put the cover. And now just wait for 4 minutes and come back to it. Okay, now 4 minutes has passed. So I'll just push this down. Depending on how mild you want the coffee, you can wait 3 to 4 minutes, but not more than 4 minutes because it becomes too bitter. See? Nice cup of coffee. Beautifully done. Nice and aromatic.